Hey Kyle, quick question about the fibs. Remember in the past you said you use it after 10 a.m., but only when a huge move has happened, or in at any day, any pretty much.
I like to see, some type of decent move. You can like if we're looking at a 10 a.m. reversal time, you could put a fib on any day and kind of get a sense of where that retracement is, because generally we're going to see some type of retracement into the 50 to 61. That's going to be the most important zone always. And so, yeah, you could throw it on a tighter day. The main thing is just to make sure, that, well, I'll put it like this: understand that the fibs are subjective. And so I don't lean on fibs. Like, I talk about them with some frequency, but I like to see, I'll treat the fibs like a reference point at best. So I like to see some type of market structure alignment. Like, what I want to say is I'm not putting risk on a fib level on its own, right? There's not enough conviction in these levels because they are so subjective. So I'll kind of use it more of like a guide as to where price is in reference to the prior move. So in this case, you have the puke off the open. All right, well, where are we in relation to the entirety of that move? Right? Have we even retraced 50% yet? No. Okay. So that's how I'll go about it.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yeah. But yeah, if you want to check a retracement when it's a tighter day, like tighter action, yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all.
So you're trying to look for areas of confluence within those fib levels that you can kind of lean your risk on, not necessarily the fib itself, but where price is lining up.
Yeah, exactly. Or if I'm trying to grab, because we'll see scenarios where we're looking at the 10 a.m. long, right? And then some cases, like in this case, I see the 50 is aligned nicely with VWAP. So this is going to be like the ultimate target for me
Mm-hmm.
on a retracement trade is up through here. Now, obviously, it didn't get there, but when I'm looking at a play from down here, yeah, I'm trying to get it up into this area.
Right.
Right. And so, yeah, I want to see some type of confluence, like an example like this. Like you have the 38% fib,
Mm-hmm.
which is a weaker fib level, but it aligns with VWAP right there. So we have two things now, and that helps add that confluence and that conviction to the trade idea. And
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
that's what I really like to see. Like I just like to stack as many things in my favor as possible.
Right. I like that. Definitely. Understood.
Sweet.